Alright guys, today's Sunday and we're taking the GT6 to a car show. Hopefully I see something cool today instead of like 10 Lamborghini ambassadors. Alright, I'll see you guys at the show. What did I say about the ambassador? Look who thought it, there's a rat. This is a big money show. Ooh, C8s, Datsuns. There she is. In the crowd of unrelatable cars. Ooh, is that MG? I think it's a TD, but I really don't know. Look at the detail on this guy. It's got bias ply tires and pedals that bolt to the floor. Race car, baby. MG and its wiper motor mechanisms. Look at that thing. Who wants to stare at that while you're driving? I got here earlier to park next to these guys. Clearly you see what I care about. There's 4 McLarens over here. An Aventador. We're surrounded. Oh, roll cage. I wonder if those are a regulation. A little silly. Alright, next thing. Dude, look at this Elise's kill switch. Oh, it's even race wired in. Oh my god, dude. You burn this whole car down. Don't tell my wife. This one is just gold, man. This one's more stuff. Wheel setup, the big brakes. You thought my car was low and small. What the hell is this thing? I've never seen anything like this. That thing is from the future. So it's a 66 or older Chevy truck, and from what I know about these is its interior is actually supposed to, excuse me, it's supposed to be silver. Haha. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I do know this truck from Instagram. They might be giving it away. I don't remember, but I want to find the guy. Damn. Didn't think I'd see this today. Thick boy. Oh no, check it out, his offsets are the same. I see people have been trying to do that with their dualies lately. Alright, I guess I found a piece of history. That is a vacuum-powered Wolf whistle. That is cool. Never seen something like that. I just figured out what it was on my own. Because obviously the air goes in over there. That's cool. That is cool. A cambered out Cherokee. Why would you want that? It's a Ford fucking Ranger.
I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger.
Ford Ranger. I'll take the quick video for the YouTube. Well, who wants to deal with putting exhaust around the rest of it? Alright, so those canards are factory, and that's an ACR or whatever. That's a homologation car. There's probably like 100 of them, if. Now I'm walking back here and I got really excited. That's WhistlinDiesel's old truck. So this kid's pretty cool. Check it out, WhistlinDiesel's old truck. Way bigger in real life. That's an 8-foot bed. This thing looks great. And look, even those stickers. It's badass. So happy to see this. This is like the last thing I expected to see here today. And clearly, I got so excited about trucks. It's like, you know, I could care less about like the 20 Lamborghinis over there, to be honest with you. Yeah. Man, you gotta feel like the king on the road. You're like as tall as like 12-inch lifted dualies and shit.
I know. It's up there.
This is, you know, like it's one thing to see on video, but
What? You did the one that went
looking at blocks. Once again, this is the coolest thing I could see here today. Dude, this is a fucking car. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this shit. That's a house. Go anywhere house. That's one badass Miata. Is that a Supra? Yo, this place is crazy. I can't believe the WhistlinDiesel truck. Wrangler gang. Everybody likes the Mercedes, so I'm gonna go park my car next to the WhistlinDiesel truck. That's it. Parked it next to the WhistlinDiesel truck. That's the coolest combination, dude. Cody, get at me. Let's make videos. Come on. Tried to make friends with the Lambo kids. It was a waste of time. There they are. Damn, dude. The WhistlinDiesel fucking truck. Damn, dude. The WhistlinDiesel truck. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Fucking Hondas. This thing had a bad day one year. This is the guy that had matching Nike sneakers. Oh yeah. Not really. Yeah. Oh, this is the guy that was all air ran out. He was as low as it gets. The big ass gut feel. I saw at least 2 bullets in 3 of these Shelbys. Oh, that thing just sounds so quiet and smells even better. Oh man. Ooh, it's an NSX. get out of here. Oh, this homie. Yo, I'm gonna go talk to this guy. Nice guy. I just looked it up. T King Cummins on Insta. Is that a Supra? That's the thing that had that wolf whistle on it. Yo, blow your wolf whistle! Nice! This thing is still super badass. Alright, I guess everyone's gone. Time to drive the lonely old 6 home. I guess Mustangs are real popular here. Popular! So I either didn't put it on or lost it. And I don't think it's in the engine bay. Oh, we got all the hop. This was what happened. You know, I got a little bit of oil down there. I mean, this shit fucking pushes 100 PSI of fucking oil. So I guess I'm fucked. Damn it! What am I supposed to do now? I don't have a fucking cap for my... Oh, jeez. I checked my footage, and yesterday I had it right here, so I do remember putting it back on. Maybe it didn't latch all the way? Come on. Does my 90 PSI really just blow the fucking cap right off? God, what am I gonna do now? Fuck. What am I gonna... Like, can you just buy this? I don't know. British shit, dude. I just don't know. I have some tape. This plastic bag from a new tack cable, which is not going to solve my problem of the tack making a lot of noise. I have 2 tacks in the trunk too, but I guess we're gonna use the plastic. I got a rag. Tape, plastic, rag, tape, plastic, rag. I'm laughing so fucking hard. I feel like such an idiot. Oh yes, it's gonna work though. It's gonna work. And now I gotta find out if I could buy one, but if not, hundreds of miles until it burns away. Whatever. I feel like such a fucking idiot. That's so funny. I almost wish it was a rubber glove. Well, better than the clutch or the brake master cylinders leaking, to be honest. It's like, again, not a problem. I hope I can buy one at the store. I mean, that one was an original 50-year-old cap, but I guess that's what happens when you daily drive shit. You know what the irony of this is? This will not leak, whereas the cap did. That's the fucking irony of this. This'll work better than the cap. So I'll just add oil through the dipstick, and we won't even ever have to take that off. Look at that fucking PSI, dude. That's hot, too. That's hot. Oh, my camera moved a little bit. Let's do that again. 100 PSI. Alright, even with all that mishaps, we're out. I'm happy. It was a great day. Saw all the cool cars, and the coolest thing was that WhistlinDiesel truck. It really was. Say bye-bye. Alright, just pulled up to Napa. Figure out that valve cover cap thing. But I'll be completely honest with you, that show could not have been better. I mean, to see a WhistlinDiesel truck, man, that's better than anything I could have saw. I absolutely loved it. So if this is the end of the episode, like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. And, you know, come on, WhistlinDiesel content. Push me forward, baby. Okay, Napa was closed. Round 2. All right, Yee just met the owner of this truck. We're friends now. We gonna chill. All right, it ain't vintage, but it probably won't leak like the old one. Let's put some oil in the dash box. Got that marble. All right, all filled. I normally overfill them, that's the way. That's how you know you got the right level, is when you overfill it and it overflows. Alright, good. Oh, it's weird how the frame rate on these work. It doesn't blink in real life. New cap, pressurized, and I swear to God, I think the idle is smoother, better, and like temperature-wise, I think the oil pressure is higher, all because of the dash pot oil. I really think the dash pot oil makes a huge difference. This is what we use. 100 PSI. Hey guys, is that a super? Also like and subscribe! 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 Subscribe!